Oh my Jazzy Peeps, this is the line. Imagine, I'm early na, but still, long queue already. If you're not yet part of my Jazzy Peep Club, you know the drill.
Hanap kita Manila. Ang ingay mong tay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mo naglilipan. Mga babae mo nagkagandahan.
Today, I'm now here at SMX for our YOLI Momentum Philippines. So exciting. There will be lots of learning and surprises later. So, please join me until the end.
So first and foremost, YOLI, we have a mission at YOLI, and it's to simply transform lives. We have something that gives people true optimal health. I think it's one of the most beautiful things in the world.
And by the way, I'm with Jenny King here, who is now drinking the passion. Yeah.
We are honored and privileged to be here with you today. My name is Matthew Dunn. I am the Chief Operating Officer of YOLI, and this is going to be an incredible day.
So we are so glad to see the beautiful people of YOLI Philippines. On behalf of course, YOLI, we would like to express our gratitude for everyone for coming all the way here to be able to witness this epic event of YOLI Momentum Philippines.
I love you too. Even the sun will take you, family for this is all I know.
Something special is happening here. Guys, less than 45 days ago, we had less than 50 people registered to be at this event. And in 45 days, there's going to be over 1,500 people in this room. Absolutely insane. So you already know this is going to be an incredible event.
Yes.
And when you get to hear Robby and Kimmy and all the other wonderful speakers, it's just going to blow your mind away.
So what you're going to hear today from all of the presenters, and especially from our founder, right, that wants to go last to deliver one of the more beautiful messages for this country is simply this, that we recognize that you're different. We recognize that you guys bring beautiful virtues into this organization. We recognize that part of what makes this culture great is that we were fortunate enough to fall in alignment with this country and the people of this country. And we want to support that in a more powerful, loving way. If you guys are up for it. Are you up for it? Yes. Are you up for it? Yes.
And now the time has come to prove to them we have made it on our own. This is your moment, your mindset.
My Jazzy Peeps, I'm so early here at SMX. Oh my Jazzy Peeps, this is the line. Imagine, I'm early na, but still, long queue already. And this one, I got goodies, free goodies from Yoli. This is, yes, protein shake. Okay, this is vanilla. And another one is chocolate. Oh, and there are two passion here. Tropical melon and berry. berry, my favorite flavor, berry.
We're nothing like the other companies. Because see, at Yoli, we really do believe in BLP and GLP. We really believe that there are things more important than money. In fact, I'm just going to prove something. Money just simply follows value. The wealthiest people in the world have brought nothing more than the most value to the marketplace. Don't focus on the money. Simply focus on the habits of giving people a gift, loving people, and helping them. The money will follow you. We came to the Philippines to support you. We're going to build systems for you, specifically for you. You're your own country. The way they do things in this country is different. We're going to be listening, we're going to be in alignment, we're going to be congruent, and we're going to make sure that we do things for the Philippines.
Momentum event here in the Philippines. So we would like to extend our gratitude for everyone for all the support.
And did you have fun today?
Oh, yes.
Oh, it's great. Yes.
Yeah. So you came from US,
Guam. Yeah.
Last night.
Thankful about this, the growth that's coming upon us. We're excited to bring this to the next level.
Don't miss the next one kasi ano pa lang to practice pa lang to. So, yung Yoli Caravan that we mentioned today, don't miss it because we're gonna transform lives one town at a time. Kasama ka dyan, right?
So my Jazzy Babes, I'm with my team, my mommy. So Arisa, Lori, Engineer Genti, Pai, fashion designer, and then Freya, entrepreneur. And my sister over there, and Rose, to be a member soon. And right behind Dunn is Jenny King. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I'm with them. So subscribe also to their vlog, my Jazzy Pips. Thank you so much for joining me in this YOLI Momentum Philippines. Hope you had fun as well like me. Another amazing happenings will be coming soon here in the Philippines. So if you want to know about Yoli Better Body System, just reach me anytime below the description box for my contact details. Just reach me anytime, okay? And once again, thank you for watching my Jazzy Pips. And if you're not part of my Jazzy Pip Club, just click the red button and hit the bell for you to be notified whenever I posted new stuff like this, events, fashion, and so happenings also with my channel very, very soon. Okay? Once again, thank you so much, my Jazzy Pips.